Hello,
Hello.
good morning
Oh,
or good
yes.
afternoon.
Good
All good?
morning. Yeah, all good. Just woke up like 40 minutes ago.
Nice,
And
nice. Good, good.
I made it.
Nice to finally meet you.
Yes.
So we
Nice to
can
meet you
start
too.
with our mission. You
I
have
can't wait.
headphones, right?
I have big headphones. So what should I use better?
At the
Because
moment, you're using headphones or not?
yes, I do. I'm using small headphones.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Because later, a little bit will be
Mm-hmm.
tricky with the routing because you need always, when you share your screen, when you do homework, you need to choose. I'll show you in Ableton or how to share. Sometimes it's when you use this Bluetooth with Zoom, or
Mm-hmm.
sound card, for example. Better just use laptop, plug like old school way headphones in the
Mm-hmm.
laptop, and it's definitely gonna work.
I have these headphones. They're bigger, so I can use them too. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, like DJ headphones. Perfect.
So I
Okay.
don't know if it's
Yeah, yeah, it's fine. I mean, it's for the beginning, everything. It's the more you struggle with the conditions, later you're gonna appreciate when you
yeah.
have more professional equipment. But it's not about the equipment.
Yeah, yeah,
It's
yeah, yeah.
about, especially for sound source, it's about to get used to on certain conditions. Then you can judge. Otherwise, if you
Hmm.
change or like go one professional studio, another professional studio, doesn't matter because you will always have new experience you cannot control. If it's better
Hmm.
keep it simple
Yeah.
and keep in the beginning one source of listening.
Okay.
So you
Okay.
can feel the difference. Especially in the beginning, you need to train your ears.
Um.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I check your
So.
playlist.
Mm-hmm.
I download some of them. I didn't have time.
Okay.
But yeah, in general, you like melodic stuff. This is nice. You like
Mm.
melodies, but not
Yeah.
like it's electronic music all.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I read your request, so let me just go again just to
Okay.
check. Uh, so technically, when you don't have any experience, technical experience with mixing, uh,
No, but I've heard it's not too hard to, to learn. So, and I think I
producing
would be able
also,
to.
mixing and producing nothing.
No.
Okay, yeah, it's not definitely not complicated. It's
Yeah.
easy, but
Mm.
it's practice. Like if
Yeah.
you want to DJ, most of the time they have players. So now we
Mm.
cannot practice players here, but
Mm.
this is very easy in general. What we can do Ableton mixing because I'm mixing in Ableton. I'm doing all my shows in Ableton. I'm also doing live
Per
performance and teaching live
perfect.
performance,
Mm.
but also DJing in Ableton is super easy. And this way you don't rely on any players who are fucked up or some mixers. You bring in your laptop
Mm-hmm.
and you're connecting to the mixer for the sound card, and you are
Mm-hmm.
entering in the mixer with one channel only.
Okay.
And in your Ableton, all your library is there all the time. So you have 2, 3 tracks new, you bring it there, and you just adjust them to be in certain way treated entering the
Okay.
Ableton. So this your growing library.
Mm-hmm.
It's like most of the people they have USB sticks, right?
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
this is one option.
Okay.
Another option is to also find somewhere to little bit try DJing,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not possible to do it online, even though you watch a lot of tutorials.
No.
It's good to know
Mm.
both, but if you know the theory, then we can go to the theory, and then when you go to like DJ boot, you will already know everything. It's just a question of to feel it.
Right. I just send you the picture in WhatsApp, the device I have. So I'll
You
be
already
using
have
it.
some device.
I mean, the place I live, they have everything. They have um
But so you see.
electric piano. They have this thing, and I can use it. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, this is a little bit complicated to carry around,
Definitely.
but it's definitely it has everything you need to learn to DJ. Okay?
Okay.
And probably you already know. You tried.
I tried a little bit, yeah, but without like details and deep understanding, but some things I understood. Yeah, it was very quick tour.
Since when you have it?
I mean, since it's not mine, but I mean, I can use it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. I have access to it and I can practice it while I'm here.
Nice, nice. Yeah, good. So, do you know how to, let me just check. So this works with, these players, it's not with CDs or vinyls. You need to use USB. So then,
Yes.
do you know how to use USB to put it in record box?
I will find out.
No, but no, this is what I can show you also.
Okay, sure. Yes, please. I'd like to know everything. Yeah.
No problem, because these are like the minimum. It's you go through internet, check for music, make a list, send to me, and I can help you in the beginning. And the main goal is to produce music. That's the main goal. And also the producing, it's not so complicated to make at least demo. We're gonna already jump into the fire today, because DJing, even if you're the best DJ in the world, you need to have releases nowadays, or to be super popular influencer which has nothing to do with music. Then they will book you even if you play orchestra. Doesn't matter.
Fine. Yeah. Okay.
So you don't have followers on Instagram, so you need to rely on music first of all. So this is how it works. This is the reality, and you will also feel more comfortable and happy and peaceful if you know how things work, to really do it how professional people are doing it, not like to pay someone to make you a track, and then another person is arranging you the gig, and the third person is making you the mix, and then you just go play the pre-recorded mix, and you just practice in front of the mirror how to dance to this music. This is most of the time what's going on nowadays in all the shows.
No, I want to feel, I want to express my soul, so I want to learn how to create it myself. So I know I have no interest in just DJing. I think it's just simple. I mean, I want to go more complicated stuff.
Yeah, of course. That's what we're gonna do. A little bit to understand, to feel your goals, but in the end of the day, we all have the same goals. We want to make music, to express our feelings, because while you're making music, you're like, it's mirroring your soul, or certain moment. You can make one demo today. This is a souvenir forever for that day, for how you felt that day. Then on the next few days, you will make another demo. So you always in future will remember these tracks for this period of your life. It's like a memory. And also therapy. The only thing is, if technically you get stuck, then it's very frustrating. Like if you don't know how to go further, you have emotions, you have feelings, but technical things destroying the vibe, because you don't know where to click, the music doesn't play, everything stopped, or nothing is in key, everything is disharmonic. So that but you are now coming in the best possible moment, because there are a lot of like improvements for producing music, that it's not skills based, it's more taste based, which you cannot improve. This is just the way you were born, or a little bit you can contribute with your experience. So if you have a lot of experience with going to parties, you listen every day a lot of mixes, this will reflect. But still, it's very easy to get lost because there are politics, like in everything. So if you aim one style and you add certain sound into this style, people from that community will judge. So if it's deep house, if it's Afro house, if it's techno, if it's, I don't know, progressive. So they have certain rules which are not written anywhere.
Wow.
So that's why I think it's the best. Like if we just do theory and everything, yeah, you will feel also nice. You will be motivated. You can't wait for the next session and everything. But I think it's the best to skip blah blah blah.
Okay.
And jump in the fire just to see a little bit to be more fun for you. And also already today you're gonna have a lot of demos. So this is like very crash course, straight to the point, without too much blah 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 about history, about rules, about terminology. We jump in the fire and then we face reality. And we see how you behave there in this world. And this is how you're gonna learn because it's no point now me to go through the school and book way. So we're gonna skip everything and we're gonna directly make a track.
Wow.